Gracie was purchased at 10 weeks old, far too young. He'd only been with his people for 2 weeks and we received a phone call saying that he can't cope with him and that he was aggressive, biting the children. Well, when they're young, it's a brand new world to them, and their beak is equivalent to our hands in touching and sampling, and that's what Gracie was doing. So about 13, 15 weeks, she was relinquished and we took her into our care, and she's been here ever since. I'm Judy Hampton, and I'm director of New Life Parrot Rescue. It all started in 1995 when I realised that there was a problem out there for captive parrots, and I've got obviously many people who keep them and needed advice and help. So I set up a helpline. It developed into a fully fledged UK registered charity for unwanted, abused and neglected, traumatised parrots. There is a crisis overpopulation of unwanted parrots, and there are not that many specialised parrot sanctuaries around to actually deal with the problem. It's not unusual for a bird to have known 5 homes before it is 7 years old. Fred was chained, leg chained to a 12-inch perch for 19 years. In the latter 9 of those years, he was moved to a bathroom, still leg chained to the 12-inch perch, and he obviously had nothing to do. When he used his raucous voice, his person would hit him with a rolled up newspaper, which actually damaged his right eye. That has been looked at by an avian eye specialist, and inside it's smashed to pieces, literally smashed to pieces. Obviously he suffered psychologically and physically. He had muscle atrophy and obviously malnutrition. He was extremely weak. We put him in a cage to help strengthen those climbing muscles, which is his chest and his feet. And later on we began to socialise him. These special birds go beyond the pet concept. Birds like Fred, all the others, they deserve so much better. Parrots demand a great deal of understanding and care. They require an enormous amount of time, dedication to provide at least some level of care in captivity. If no one can do that, then please never have a parrot. Never.